This book has shown me a new way of life. I thought it may be hard to follow with Andy being based in Hawaii and myself in the UK, and I was wrong. I'm finding it easy to follow and have loved every recipe that I have tried. My household is now planned over processed, and we are all loving this new way of life. I have always made the majority of my meals based off Earthy Andy's Instagram, so to finally have a book with all the recipes in one place is amazing. The best cookbook you could buy, delicious, healthy and fresh meats that are super easy to make. If you are looking for a single recipe book for vegan or not, this is it. I have followed Andrea, at Earthy Andy, on Instagram for a long time now. Her recipes and everything she's made and posted I have fallen in love with. I am ecstatic that she has combined all of her delicious goodness into one recipe book for us. I'm honored to say that I am now the proud owner of one, and I have already made 3 recipes from it in just today. You've got to try the magic cookies for sure. I was shocked at how good they tasted that my mouth dropped. The cookie dough almost did not make it into the oven. Thank you for a super wicked and healthy recipe book. Click link in description for more reviews.